In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of customizing your LinkedIn link and how to seamlessly incorporate it into your resume and cover letter. Let's start by heading over to linkedin.com. If you aren't logged in yet, you can easily do so using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the top of the LinkedIn homepage where you'll spot the Me icon. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll want to select View Profile. As your profile page loads, cast your gaze to the right pane, where an option titled Public Profile URL will catch your eye. You'll notice a small edit icon next to this option. Go ahead and click it. This action will lead you to a page where you can begin customizing your profile link. Now, look for the section labeled Edit Your Custom URL. Once again, an edit icon awaits your attention. Clicking on this will allow you to personalize your LinkedIn URL, which is a small yet significant step toward projecting a professional image. Consider utilizing a variation of your name or a combination of your name and professional title. The aim here is to create something that is both memorable and reflective of your personal brand. After you've decided on your custom URL, type or edit the last section of the link directly in the provided text box. Once you're satisfied with your new URL, click Save. This customizable URL is more than just an aesthetic improvement. It simplifies the process of linking to your profile across documents, emails, and websites. Now that your custom LinkedIn URL is ready, it's time to incorporate it into your resume and cover letter. Open the document where you store or edit your resume, and seek out the area where you would like to include your LinkedIn link. A common choice is near your contact information, as this section often houses vital personal details. To insert the link, first select the text you want to hyperlink. This could be as basic as the word LinkedIn or even your full name. Once your text is highlighted, right-click to reveal additional options, and choose the option to insert a link. In the link input field that appears, paste your LinkedIn URL that you copied earlier. To finalize, be sure to click either Apply or Done, depending on the software you're using. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn profile is now seamlessly integrated into key documents like your resume and cover letter. This simple yet powerful addition not only validates your online presence but also makes it much easier for potential employers to learn more about you. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.